Hello, my name is Jake Kurth. I'm with Leeds Forensic Systems. Today's quick video tutorial is going to go over how to set up the CMOS5 HDR camera on your Leeds comparison microscope. So the first thing you're going to need is your 3mm Allen wrench, usually located at the back of the microscope, right inside the column. Looks a lot like a button, but it's definitely an Allen wrench. This camera is already mounted up, so I'm going to kind of go in reverse. There's a 3mm screw located on the side of the camera mount. You simply want to loosen this, and that allows you to freely rotate the camera. If your microscope doesn't already have the camera mounted, you'll notice there's a dovetail attachment here that you can come in from an angle, be able to tip it, and bring it in. The next thing you'll see is I have a live image over here on the computer monitor. What you'll see is as I rotate the camera mount, you'll see the whole image move. What I like to do is put a business card or part of a business card on one side of the microscope and then nothing on the other side, so I have this clear white and black background. And then what I like to do is move my dividing line so it's all the way to one side. And as you can see, I can really see the angle of that dividing line. So my next step is just to try to adjust the rotation of the camera to try to make that dividing line go straight up and down. And then when I get it just right, I can come in and lock that set screw. A quick comment to make is that if you're doing fine-tuning adjustment of the camera mount, you'll notice it's really only a quarter turn that you have to do to loosen it in the mount. So I wouldn't recommend fully loosening the set screw because you might run into the risk of having the camera fall out or fall off the microscope. So yeah, just make sure you get that dividing line as straight up and down as you can. See where it looks best. And then go ahead and tighten that set screw. All right, thanks for watching. Any other questions, please contact us.